Recipe 3 on Faversham Community Service YouTube channel. Christmas gingerbread biscuits. First, we must wash our hands. Okay, so today we're going to make gingerbread. So first of all, take our saucepan, we take our butter, our golden syrup, and our sugar, and we melt it in the saucepan. So that is 65 grams of butter, 120 grams of golden syrup and 100 grams of sugar. So now we melt it over a medium heat until it's all nice and mixed together, and then we allow it to cool at room temperature. Now you want to sift the flour into a bowl, and that's, how much flour was it? 250 grams of flour. Right, so sift that into a large bowl. Fab. Now add the bicarbonate of soda, which is 1 teaspoon. The mixed spice, which is half a teaspoon, and the ginger, the ground ginger, which is 1.5 teaspoons, and also add a pinch of salt, which I've got there already. Right. Okay, so we now mix that together. Make a well in the middle, little circle in the middle, there we go. And we add the wet ingredients, which is the milk, which is 50 millilitres of milk. And then what we did earlier, which is now at room temperature. If you actually have a look, that's our lovely golden syrup, sugar and butter. And then we want to mix all that together. It's now room temperature, so it should be good. Make sure we got it all out of the bowl. Okay, so now we've got to thoroughly mix this. Once this is thoroughly mixed, you can see it's all come together. We'll get some cling film, put it on our surface, and put this in the middle. 1, 2. Right. You can scrape it off using the cling film actually. Right. Okay, so now this has to go in the fridge for 2 hours, to cool down. This has been in for 2 hours, your nice dough, your gingerbread dough. Right, so cover the surface with a bit of flour to stop it sticking. Obviously make sure the surface is nice and clean. Right, so now we're going to take it out and we're going to roll it, and it's got to be rolled to 4 millimetres thick. So, got a nice rolling pin, flour the rolling pin. Okay. does start to stick, just put more flour on your rolling pin. Right, so that's about 4. Right, okay. So now we get our cookie cutters. I've got a tree, snowman, gingerbread, and I've got a star. So I have my grease-proof paper on my baking tray, ready for them to go into. So I'm going to cut a nice star shape, wiggle it, let it, that's it. And I can put it on my tray. Right, I think my baking tray is totally full now. So now this goes in the oven for 6 minutes. Gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade. Okay, should go in the middle of the oven. Yeah. So once you've taken them out of the oven, place them on a wire rack to cool, and then you can decorate them how you want. You can mix 125 grams of icing sugar with 15 ml of water to make a nice white icing, and then you can decorate them how you want.